Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail different ways you can use to turn off your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are different ways you can use to turn off iPhone depending on your choice. The fastest and easiest approach is to use the iPhone button. In most cases, all you need to do is press the power button and then the volume up button together like this. And you will see the menu pops. On the menu, you can just go ahead and slide this to power off. However, if you are using iPhone 6 or any iPhone with home button, you just need to press and hold the side button. That's the first way you can use to turn off or shut down your iPhone. And again, if you don't want to use the button to turn off or shut down your iPhone, just swipe down the control center. Locate and click on the power button at the top right. Now, once you feel the haptics, you should see slide power off appear. Go ahead, start power off your iPhone, and this is going to turn off your iPhone. And lastly, to turn off or power off your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on general. Scroll down general, click on shutdown. Now go ahead and slide to power off. And that is going to help you to power off your iPhone, and then you are good. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.